Hi, my name is Angel, and I'm a program manager at Google. I'm a mechanical engineer by degree, and my first boss out of school said, "You're an okay engineer, but your people skills are off the charts. And having a technical background and having really good people skills is hard to find." Soft skills to me have a lot to do with emotional intelligence. So being able to read other people, and then ultimately really knowing yourself and being able to read the team, read what they need, but then at the same time, what am I doing? Either influencing the team in a good way, in a bad way, or just a different way. Just asking sometimes people that don't usually kind of raise their hand to give input goes a long way, because a lot of times the folks that are maybe a little more quiet are genuinely thinking about the problem and may have a lot of insights that if you didn't kind of catch on that or ask them, you could miss out. And so to me, soft skills just means just really understanding kind of the emotional needs of the team. And that can really help with, whether it's estimations or costs, whether it be labor or dollar wise, get kind of the full view from the team of what that might look like. When it comes to task estimation and time estimations, the other thing is just asking good questions. So not just, I need you to go faster, but really saying, hey, how much faster could you go if I gave you this? What is stopping you from going faster? What teams would you need to get involved to kind of help this, right? Or, hey, we have an issue. Are there similar issues in other parts of this project? And do we need to get together in a larger group to kind of bring that together? I think as a program manager, that's really your role, is to kind of see patterns in a project and see kind of where things are either slowing down or at a complete stop, and having those soft skills to be able to bring the team together to solve that problem, and to even just see it, right? Just to acknowledge that there is a problem, and instead of, blaming, is really just digging in and kind of, how do we learn from this? How do we fix this? How do we move on? Some of the things that also help is just relating to your team members. And if you've either been in a similar situation or just trying to understand what their process is. Sometimes just having people walk through the estimate out loud can sometimes come up with realizations of, oh, we could save more time or could improve this just by talking it out. I've been a project manager, for machines that make labels, to locomotive engines, to how you make plywood. So project management skills, don't necessarily need to be all about kind of the field that you're in. It's really more about kind of the method and the process and kind of how you structure a team and get people to work together.